In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a back post double crochet stitch. Now, I've already done the row of chain stitches, and then I turned around and did a row of double crochet. And I did that because to make a front or back post double crochet, you can't do it around a chain stitch. You have to do it around at least a single crochet, if not a double or a treble. Or half double crochet, doesn't matter, you just can't do it around the chain stitch. So once I have finished, or you have finished whatever row you're working on, when you're ready to make the back post double crochet, I want you to either chain 1 or chain 2, it doesn't matter, I'm just doing chain 1, and then turn your work around. With the back post double crochet stitch, we're going to be inserting our hook from the back, and then we're going to be working around the stitch. So going in front and then putting the hook from the front to the back. And now you can see the hook is in front of the stitch you're going to be working around. So remember, back to front, front to back. Great. You're basically going to be working behind the piece. So we've turned. This first stitch is maybe a little more confusing just since we're at the end of the row. It'll get better as we go on. So I want you to yarn over, and make sure you keep this yarn on the hook, going from the back to the front, and then we're going to work around this stitch. So we're going from the front to the back. Now we are doing a yarn over, and we're not going to try to pull it through into the front of the piece. We're going to pull the yarn through so that it's going around that stitch. And now yarn over, pull off 2, yarn over, pull off 2. That's the part that's like the double crochet. So again, we're going to yarn over. This is the stitch we're going to be working around. So going from the back to the front, then around from the front to the back, yarn over, pull that yarn through. The yarn that you just pulled through is going around that stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, go from the back to the front, and then from the front to the back. Now we're looking at the back of the work. Yarn over again, pull through, and now you're doing a basic double crochet where you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. At this point, I want us just to stop and look at what this piece looks like so far. Here is our first row, and now here's our new row. The stitches are coming out from behind, and it's kind of being overlapped by that initial row when you're looking from the front. When you look from the back, it just kind of looks like one continuous stitch. There's no row sticking out in front of it. So we're going to keep going. Yarn over, go from back to front, and then front to back so that your hook is wrapped around this stitch. Yarn over, pull around that stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then this is the stitch we're working with next. Yarn over, go from the back to the front, and then the front to the back. Yarn over again, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull off 2 loops, yarn over, pull off 2 loops. And that's back post double crochet. We've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches back there.